Okay guys, so I actually filming this intro after 3 days of working on this and after I got all the content for this video. So there's going to be a lot going on. I'm going to try something new. I'm going to try to do voiceover on some of this stuff. So let me know down below if you guys like it or not. And I hope you guys enjoy. So let's jump into some of the painting. Alright guys, in order to prep for the paint, I decided to use some purple powder to degrease the engine bay. I would have normally power washed it, but I just didn't have the time for that. So I decided to just use some elbow grease to get it all off. So after the engine bay was degreased and cleaned, I decided to use some black paint to go through and touch everything up. And as you'll see in a few minutes, I decided to take some hiking clean coat over it all just to help us with it. So here's a really good before and after shot. It's not perfect, but it's definitely better than what it was. So my plan here was to use clear coat as a primer for the header, but then someone informed me that clear coat does not work as a primer unless you sand it in, because clear coat is used to the surface. So after you see me spray it on the clear coat, I'm going to go back to it, give it a quick sanding, and then I will be painting it. actually took the time to do everything properly this time. The engine bay is all cleaned up, and I did purposely put all that on hold. I did know from the very beginning I needed to do all this, but I wanted to wait and make sure that the engine was going to run and handle just fine and break in and all that stuff. I didn't want to waste time and money on something that wasn't going to work, but we got it all done, so everything's done properly this time. Hopefully tomorrow on Thursday I'll be able to get this engine back in. I did go ahead and put the oil pan back in on off camera. There was no huge big chunks or anything like that. I have footage of me doing that, but it didn't really turn out all that great just because it's very crowded over there, so there's not very many great angles. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.